In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create and set up a Shopify account from scratch. But before we begin, if you're eager to learn about starting your Shopify journey, hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us tailor our content to your needs. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. Let's kick off by creating your Shopify account. You can find a link in the description below for a free trial, and later you can enjoy 3 months of Shopify for just $1 per month, regardless of the plan you choose. Starting with a basic plan is recommended for beginners. This plan includes essential features like 1,000 inventory locations, 2-step accounts, and more. Click the link in the description, enter your email address, and hit Start your free trial. Once you're logged in, choose your account details and store preferences. Shopify will guide you through the setup process, asking where you'd like to sell, whether it's online, on social media, or in person. You can choose various sales channels and online marketplaces based on your preference. Shopify allows flexibility in the type of products you plan to sell, whether it's services, dropshipping products, print on demand, or products made or bought by yourself. Next, name your store and specify your business location, crucial for determining shipping rates, recommended applications, and payment processing methods. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Shopify store. Now, let's explore how to set it up further. The easiest way is to follow the setup guide available in the Home section after your account creation. The guide will walk you through tasks such as adding your first product, setting up your online store theme, customizing pages, configuring payment channels, and more. For instance, let's customize the theme of your online store. You can select different themes, customize layouts, and add or remove elements using the editor provided by Shopify. You can upload images, adjust text, and tweak the appearance to align with your brand. Remember, the actual changes will reflect once you exit the editor and see your store live. Beyond that, Shopify offers the ability to add blog posts, create different pages, customize navigation menus, and adjust preferences for search engine optimization, including titles, meta descriptions, and social sharing previews. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. So, that's how you create and set up your Shopify store. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more helpful content. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.